Hello, so this is MX Linux. You can download this MX Linux from uh, its website MX Linux. So from this website you can download this. Okay, uh, so this is the MX Linux. So my machine is it uses a XFCE desktop environment. They have customized this desktop environment, and MX Linux is kind enough to include some features that make it easy to work with this operating system. They uses Debian as their base distribution. So what this is the application menu over at the this is the application menu. If you click on application menu, you get a large menu. In application menu you get different categories, so they have all categorized. So in accessories you get application finder, bulk rename, clip it, leather pad, feather pad, G calculator for your calculator. Okay, now they have installed Thunar, and also it comes with Midnight Commander file manager, and uh, the standard stock one comes with Genie IDE, but I'd like to use Eclipse, so I have installed Eclipse IDE. Okay, for education you get a bunch of games built into it. Then for graphical editing you get Gimp. uh, this is fairly addition recent version of MX Linux. So you get Gimp 2.10. So my system runs with about 2 megs of RAM. So this is pretty fast for 2 gigs of RAM. Uh, uh, on the desktop it has this uh, clock on the side which tells you about the hard disk utilization, memory, uh, your RAM, how much RAM is used, and how much load your CPU is having. So right now it's not much, but when you open Eclipse or any other program, it gets pretty stuffed quite easily. uh, so uh, if you again go into application menu and head towards MX tools, you get different softwares that MX Linux comes with. So first of us is brightness system tray, then ch root, then you can format your USB devices. They have made easy setup for working with Linux, because everything in Linux has to be command line. So they have included a nice GUI system with this, so you can edit your menus pack what so the this package installer is again a nice thing to have if you want to install some softwares which you downloaded from internet for Linux or Debian. You can install it using this if you don't know into command much. Okay, then you have your MX system. This is just a ELSA mixer. Okay, you can install NVIDIA driver easily from this, and Yeah, it comes with VLC media player and a bunch of other audio softwares like Elsa Mixer, A Sounder, Clementine. I have never used in most of them apart from this VLC media player. Office, you get LibreOffice, Orange Desktop, and you get QPDF. On the internet, you get Thunderbird. I have installed Qubit Torrent for to all the torrenting work, and transmission. You get Thunderbird. I have also installed. It doesn't ship with Google Chrome. You have to install it afterwards. It comes with Firefox. Okay, so let's look at its file manager. So this is Thunar. You can, if I go into about, you can see this is Thunar. It is pretty fast. Uh, so and if I go into system and go down to it also has Synaptic Package Manager. So if you want to install something that is in Synaptic stores, you can install it. It comes with Samba. So I have also installed Oracle with VirtualBox. If you go into system profiler, as you can see, I am using one AMD Athlon. It it tells me it's AMD Athlon, but it is Sempron 145. Okay, I have one. It has hidden core, so change name. So it is Gigabyte GA 78LM TS2 AMD socket 3 technology. Okay, so RAM is around 2 gigs, but okay, graphics for this is operating. If you go into operating system, this is operating system. The kernel is 4.19, and I'm using MX, and apart from this, it is pretty fast. So this is a benchmark test. So these are the results. So it is uh, so the result is 2499.52. Okay, on the bottom side it has some like if you want to switch off your system, you can log off, shut down, switch user. Okay, you can do this from this. You can also switch off your system by going into application menu, and on application menu you get this icon log out. If you press this, you get options like log out, shut down, switch user. Okay, so the wallpaper keeps changing. It has different wallpapers like this one, this one, this one. It has a bunch of different wallpapers. Okay, seal one.